Massive wagwan. So in this video I'm going to do breadfruit punch. So I'm using 3 thick slices of maca breadfruit. You do not have to use maca breadfruit. It is my choice. Use any breadfruit that you want to use. So in a pot with 3 cups of water, I am adding a little bit of salt. The pot is on high heat, so I'm going to cover the pot and bring it to a full boil. So now that the water is boiling, I am going to add the breadfruit, cover and boil until fork tender. So the breadfruit is cooked, very fork tender, very soft. Now I am going to turn off the stove and allow the breadfruit to cool completely. The breadfruit is cool completely, so now I am going to use some of the breadfruit to make the punch, and I'm going to give my neighbor the rest because she's going to make breadfruit punch as well. So I am only using the breadfruit. I'm not using the pot water because I don't put pot water in my punch. I don't want water in my punch, as a matter of fact. I am using 2 tins of Nutriment. This is the first tin that I'm adding to the blender. I am also using a little bit of Guinness. The amount used depends on you. I will be using more Guinness as well. A little bit of vanilla. I will be adding more vanilla. And a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg. I will be adding more nutmeg. So cover and blend all the ingredients to make the punch. And as you can see, the punch is very thick. Breadfruit punch is very thick, but you can thin it out with either Nutriment or Supplement. So I am using another tin of Nutriment, yeah, to thin out the punch a bit. I pour it into a blender and then I'm gonna blend. I did not add any breadfruit to the blender, just the little punch that leave in the blender. Just pour some more Nutriment. So now I'm pouring the Nutriment mixture into the container. Yeah. And gonna give it a good stir. As you can see, it is still thick. So now I am adding the remaining Guinness. I am adding sweetened condensed milk, sweetened to suit your taste. So I'm adding a little bit more vanilla and the remaining freshly grated nutmeg. Then give it a good stir, and this is it, breadfruit punch. Of all the Jamaican punches, breadfruit punch is the nicest one. Yeah man, breadfruit punch is very nice, very nice, trust me. Not too thick and not too thin. The choice is yours, all thick or all thin you want it to be. I like mine in between. You understand? Yeah, man. And this is the real nice, easy to make breadfruit punch. So this is the breadfruit punch. So I'm going to put it in the fridge immediately because like I said, it easily spoil. Jamaica is a very hot country and it is even hotter right now. So, you know, punch easily spoils. So, I'm gonna put it in the fridge right now. This punch is delicious. Breadfruit punch is classified as the best punch in Jamaica. I'm talking about Jamaica right now. In Jamaica, breadfruit punch is classified as the best punch. It really, really, really tastes good. Really tastes good. I'm telling you, man, you should try this recipe and see for yourself. Breadfruit punch is very nice, but in order for you to get the niceness out of the breadfruit punch, you must use a breadfruit that is really fit. As we say, roast breadfruit, you must use roast breadfruit, at least in my opinion, because I've used boiling breadfruit to make the punch and I do not like it at all. So I use really fit breadfruit that is for roasting and slightly turn, and you will get the niceness out of the punch. This is really, really, really nice. I'm telling you, breadfruit punch. Thanks for watching. What would until next time? Remember to share my videos, like my videos, comment if you want, you know, much appreciated. You understand? Genuine comment. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, man, what would until next time? I'll put my breadfruit punch in the fridge right now. Yeah, man, stay blessed.